the London, 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 London. Oh my God.
We value and share your responses to improving future travel experiences. On behalf of this New York-based group, thank you for helping us celebrate 100 years in flight, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
So bro, asleep, awake, asleep, awake. No damn food, awake. Tired. Tired, dog. So me hear you free. Look, me hear stuff. Nothing I pull up about this one, man. Nothing I pull it up about. Man, when I go home, still my rest of locks them reach. And I drop them weird them in my chest. So them can't sleep with them. I reach I still. Yes, Father, God give thanks. Reach safe. All time. We're there in England. And them said that clock can name Big Ben, but why? See that chat, them said, how we are going? You have some black up in the cause. Yeah, we'll go around. The people out of see Big Ben.
Because these guys,
Bicycle crew active. Yeah, the sun, ready? Sun not fuck up the picture. With the King Palace. Dear people. They are tourists. It's a King Palace chat for England. It's big as fuck. You know the man that tell it flush itself. Yeah, people come up to see man now. The man even come out. People just outside, bro. That's right, bro. People just outside of the people like the man yard gate. At the king.